Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I have a special pair of headphones to show you all. You guys know that currently IPL season is running, right? So tell me how many of you love cricket and are watching all the IPL matches? Well, to celebrate IPL with all the cricket fans, boAt has launched some special limited edition IPL headphones. They're available in different editions like Chennai Super Kings, Mumbai Indians and also Kings 11 Punjab. boAt has sent us their special Kings 11 Punjab edition for review on our channel. And here they are guys, these are the boAt Rockerz 400 special IPL edition wireless headphones. And in this video, we're gonna unbox them and check out the product. So the Rockerz 400 Kings 11 Punjab edition come in this sort of box packing. The box has a nice red and white theme all over it and a picture of the headphones at the back. Okay, we've got some of the features mentioned here. Let me show them to you. They've got a snug fit for enhanced bass, have very lightweight design, offer super extra bass, provide integrated controls, they're wireless and are compatible with all sort of devices. Also, the company says that these headphones offer up to 8 hours of continuous music playtime. So those are all the features of the product. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab a knife and cut this seal on the box. I want to thank boAt for sending me this product for review. Alright, let's open the box and check out the product. Here we go. So the Rockerz 400 come packed like this on a tray, and along with that you also get some accessories in the box. So these are all the stuff we got in the package, and here are the boAt Rockerz 400 wireless headphones. Before I show them to you, let me first show you all of its accessories. You get a nice special edition carry case for the headphones. It comes in red and white color with the Kings 11 Punjab logo at the center, and the quality of this carry pouch is also good. Along with that you get a USB cable for charging the headphones, a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable, and a lot of paperwork which includes a 1-year warranty card, a product catalog and a user manual. Just make sure to read them. So these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the headphones. So this is how the boAt Rockerz 400 special Kings 11 Punjab edition looks like. It's got a beautiful red and white color theme and feels super lightweight in the hand, weighs only around 120 grams. Okay, let me just give you guys a closer look at the headphones. You've got the boAt branding here and a picture of the lion just above that. On the other side, you've got the Kings 11 Punjab logo. Talking about the build quality is good. The body is entirely made of high quality plastic and has a creamish white color with flame design all over it. It's got a metal frame on the inside with the ear cups attached to it. And the ear cups can be easily swiveled left or right like this and can also be tilted. Talking about the ear cups material, these limited editions model have a red color breathable fabric material cups and feel soft, spongy and cushiony. We've got the same kind of padding even under the headband to offer a comfortable experience while using. Plus, the headband is also extendable guys. You can easily extend it like this to fit almost any head size. And yes, the ear cups can also be folded to put them in a pouch and easily carry anywhere. Now let me show you all the available buttons and ports on it. There's a volume up button, media play pause and a volume down button. The quality of these buttons is nice, they feel tactile and clicky. Below that you got a micro USB port for charging, a 3.5mm aux port, a microphone and a Bluetooth LED status indicator. That's it, these are all the available ports and buttons. Now what I'll do is I'll pair them with my phone, put them on and tell you about the comfort and the audio quality. The boAt Rockerz 400 wireless headphones are comfortable to wear and offer a snug fit. But I felt the ear cups were a bit small in size, they were just sitting on the top and were not covering my entire ears. The noise isolation was decent. Now let me tell you about the audio quality. The audio quality was very good for the price. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals felt warm and mellow, and you could clearly understand all the dialogues. Talking about the treble quality was also good. And coming to the bass was nice and punchy. It was not that overwhelming, but had the right amount of bass. On the overall, for the price what you're paying, you'll definitely be satisfied with the audio. The TRHD was less up to 90% volume level. Beyond that, you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output was also loud and satisfactory. Did I tell you that these headphones also have a microphone? Yes, they have a built-in mic and the mic quality was decent during call conversations. Now let's talk about the battery life. The Rockerz 400 have a built-in 300 mAh battery and offer a very good battery life. On an average, I was easily getting around 7 to 8 hours of continuous music playtime at 70% volume level, and charging them from 0 to 100 took about 2 hours. So that was my video on boAt's limited IPL edition Rockerz 400 wireless headphones. They're really good sounding headphones. The build quality is decent, I love the design and colors, and offer really good sound and battery life. The only thing I felt was the comfort segment could have been improved. They're fine for short durations of usage, but since they were a bit firm and tight on the head, I need to keep adjusting them or take a break once in a while. That's it, rest everything else was fine. These limited edition IPL headphones cost around 14.99 rupees and are available on Amazon. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. Well, that was it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.